Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Surah Baqarah, Ayat 166. Iza tabarra allazina taba'u min allazina taba'u wara'al azaba wa taqatta'at bihimul asbab. English translation of this verse: consider when those who were followed disowned declared themselves free of those who followed them, and they all see the punishment, and all the relations between them will be cut off. Word to word translation of this verse: Iza, when, tabarra, will disown, allazina, those who, attaba'u, were followed, min, from, allazina, those who, attaba'u, followed them, wara'u, and they all see, al azaba, the punishment, wataqatta'at, and will be cut off, bihim, between them, al asbabu, the relation. Explanation of this verse: this verse describes the scene on the day of judgment when the leaders and their followers from this world will be confronted with the reality of their actions. The verse particularly emphasizes the despair of those who led others astray and those who were misled. On that day, the leaders who were followed will disown their followers, absolving themselves of any responsibility for leading them astray. Both this group will see the punishment awaiting them, and all the connections and relationship that existed between them in the worldly life will be served. This is a depiction of the ultimate regret and despair that will engulf those who were engrossed in false belief and led others towards them. Reason for the revelation of this verse: this verse was revealed as a warning to the polytheists and disbelievers, particularly those who blindly followed their leaders and traditions without questioning their correctness. In the context of pre-Islamic Arabia, many people adhere to the practice of their forefathers, often at the behest of influential leaders and elders. This verse highlights the futility of such blind following, emphasizing that on the day of judgment, those who were followed will not take any responsibility for the fate of their followers. Event related to the revelation of this verse: while the verse itself does not refer to a specific event, it addresses a common scenario in the lives of the Quraysh and other Arab tribes were societal leaders and influential figures led peoples into idol worships and other form of disobedience to Allah. The verse serve as a warning to both the leaders who led others astray and the followers who blindly adhered to misguided teaching. It underscores the fact that on the day of judgment, such relationship will be meaningless and every individual will be accountable for their own deeds.